Hi, I'm Amanda, and we've just had a new conservatory built using the Hub system. The reason we wanted to add a conservatory was that we have the kitchen here, and the conservatory just extends the room and just gives us a really social space. So if we have friends over, they can sit here with a drink while I'm cooking, or just on a day-to-day basis when I'm cooking, while the food is doing its thing, I can sit here, take five, and it just makes it a much more relaxing place. We often sit out here and have coffee. What happened was some guys came along and built the foundations, and then the conservatory went up in a day. It was amazing. Yeah, we love it. It's just been something that we've really wanted for a little while, and now we have it.
Amanda chose to add a conservatory to her new build home and knew that HUP would be a speedy solution. HUP is 5 times faster to build than bricks and mortar, as it is not affected by weather delays and requires only one small team for the build. HUP is manufactured off-site into a bespoke kit of parts, and thanks to the click-fit connections inside HUP, this meant that Amanda's new conservatory took shape in just one day. Amanda chose a glass roof, which brings in huge amounts of light. Thanks to the high-performance glazing combined with the super-insulated panels within the HUP walls, the conservatory is not only cool and comfortable in the summer, but will be the same temperature as the rest of the house in winter.
All this glass makes it just so welcoming. I love the light that it brings in, the light that it brings into the kitchen. This is east facing, and so we get so much sun into the kitchen. The tinted glass that's in the ceiling just makes it a year-round conservatory. We didn't want it to be somewhere where we can't sit in the summer or it's too cold in the winter. It just takes the edge off that glaring sun, and it just makes all the difference. The only way is HUP.